In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a what's new pop-up to your hosting or site. This can be a great tool for keeping your visitors updated with your latest content, announcements, or offers in an engaging way. Let's dive into the steps and make your website even more interactive and informative. First, we need to visit Common Ninja, which is an amazing tool for creating a variety of web projects. When you arrive at their dashboard, go ahead and click on My Projects. This area will show all the projects you've previously created, making it easier to manage ongoing projects or start something new. Next, it's time to get creative. Click on Create New Project to start. You'll need to enter a project name and project domain. Choose something that reflects the purpose of your pop-up, maybe about a sale, update, or new blog post. Keeping the name relevant helps in managing projects, especially when you have multiple tasks or pop-ups occurring at the same time. Once that's done, click Create Project and let's move forward. Now that you have your project, click Explore to delve into customization options. This is where you can browse through various elements and templates to choose how your pop-up will look. Take your time to pick elements that align with your website's style and your creative vision. Once you've chosen, you can see these elements appear on the left side of the screen, ready for you to make edits. Feel free to modify text, colors, and layout using the intuitive editor. Adding a personal touch can make the pop-up more appealing to visitors. When you're satisfied with the look and all the information included, don't forget to click on Save Changes to ensure nothing is lost. Next, we're publishing your newly created pop-up. By clicking on Publish, you'll make your design ready for integration into your website. The last step on Common Ninja's platform is to copy the generated code that will be used on your hosting or site. We're almost there. Head over to your hosting or website now and open the Elements menu. Find Embed Code and drag it to the spot on your page where you'd like the pop-up to appear. Think strategically about positioning, somewhere visible but not intrusive to ensure a good visitor experience. Once you've positioned the Embed Code widget, click Enter Code and paste the code you copied earlier from Common Ninja. This part is crucial because your pop-up won't display until this code is successfully embedded into your site. Finally, click Embed Code to complete the process. And just like that, you've added a What's New pop-up to your hosting or site. Make sure to preview your site to see how the pop-up appears to visitors. This step-by-step addition can really make a difference by grabbing visitor attention and delivering updates effectively. Thanks for tuning in, and happy crafting with your new pop-up.